9 signs of toxic accumulation in the liver. The liver works to remove toxins that accumulate in your body every day to keep you healthy. Everyone should detox to help their liver. Knowing a little SOS sign from the liver may not be too late and may prevent serious liver disease. The liver is the most important organ in the body. It is the second largest after the skin and plays a role in basic health functions. The liver filters the blood and works to remove toxins and cells that are no longer needed by the body. It is essential for keeping your body healthy both physically and mentally. The liver has the ability to clean itself every day. However, if there are many toxins, their function will be reduced and it will be difficult for them to function as they should. That's why it's necessary to not miss the SOS sign from the liver and encourage detoxification. Today, let's look at 9 signs of toxic accumulation in the liver. Number 1. The colour of urine and stool changes. If there are changes, these are signs of intestinal health problems. It is affected by the condition of the ureters and intestines, but may also indicate liver problems. In addition, when toxins accumulate in the liver, the colour of the stool may become lighter, or conversely, the colour may become closer to black. Number 2. Tummy and inflammation. There are various causes of abdominal tension and inflammation, so it is hard to say that it is due to the accumulation of toxins in the liver, but it may also be caused by the liver. The liver is unable to excrete toxins. Frequent abdominal inflammation can also occur due to gas buildup. Number 3. The skin becomes sensitive. The skin suddenly becomes itchy, red or dry. Applying a moisturizer may improve symptoms, but what really needs to be improved is the internal organs. Therefore, symptoms will appear again and frequently. Number 4. Gastric acid reflux. Gastric acid reflux is a disease associated with digestion and liver function, often due to unhealthy eating habits and substances from nutrients. It means that waste products are accumulated. Number 5. Diarrhea. There are many reasons for diarrhea, but it can also be due to the condition of the liver or gallbladder. The liver may not be able to detox and may be screaming for help. Number 6. Fatigue. Feeling tired not only makes you tired, but also makes you feel weak and lethargic, and it can be painful to do your daily routine. It becomes difficult to distribute oxygen to cells. As a result, your mental and physical performance will be weakened and you will want to rest more. Number 7. Sudden loss of appetite. It's common to lose your appetite, but be careful not to think it's a big deal. Be especially careful if it becomes a habit. Some people may prefer to lose their appetite once in a while. However, after a few days, you become undernourished. Number 8. Fluid retention. Fluid retention is more common in people with kidney disease. Inflammation usually occurs in the legs and other parts of the body. Pressing on the swollen area with your finger will leave a finger mark on your skin for a few seconds. Number 9. The skin turns yellow. Jaundice is caused by the accumulation of a substance called bilirubin. This is the colour of bile. Bile is produced in the liver and plays a very important role in the process of digestion. Bilirubin accumulates in the bloodstream, causing the skin to turn yellow.